I don't know.
Oh God.
Silence, because I'm gonna do my intro.
Okay.
Hi everyone, I'm Kelsey Adams and I am a staff writer at Now Magazine. Recently, we put together an issue that's devoted to all the ways that you can socialize distantly with your friends in this second or third or fourth lockdown. I've honestly lost count. And one of the things I wrote about was hosting a virtual dinner party. And now we're just doing a fun little dinner party with my friends, and we're going to walk you through the steps and how to have this kind of social but distant party with your friends at home. So we're going to be making a kale pesto recipe that I've kind of modified, that I stole from Bon Appetit. But I don't really love their recipe, and I just wanted to make it a bit more fun and punchy. And I also wanted it to be something super simple that you can make with a large group of people that isn't too many steps and not too complicated. For me, I'm definitely someone who loves to host, and I love to cook for my friends and for people I love. I don't think I've had a dinner party in over a year, which obviously is like, woe is me, like that's not really a real problem. But there's something very human about bonding over food, and it's one of the things that brings me the most joy in the world. So I've kind of devised this virtual version of it where we're all gonna hopefully feel together because we're cooking the same meal at the same time, and then we're gonna share a meal virtually and have some fun, have some laughs, and have a good time. Thanks. Thank you all. I think I've actually made this recipe for Maddie and Jesse, like in my house. Like I think they've tasted it.
Was that night like 7 courses?
Yeah, it was like 5-course meal.
So much food. Me and Jesse were just sitting there like,
Okay, so here's my blender.
Blending on Zoom is gonna be fun.
Yeah, everyone.
If we all do it together, it'll be one giant.
It'll be one white noise.
We've prepped a lot of things in advance just to make this go easier, and if you want to do this with your friends, I recommend doing that too, because it will get increasingly chaotic as we go along. So we're going to be blending some nuts, so either cashews or pistachios, some chopped garlic, some olive oil, and a bit of water, and then we're going to blend it until it's really smooth and creamy.
I feel like I'm on YouTube.
Yeah.
Welcome back to our channel where we are effectively cooking.
And then some olive oil.
Oh my god.
I'm going with selection because we ball on a budget.
Exactly.
Honey.
Just want to do a toast to all my friends, all these people that I love and who I miss dearly, and I can't wait to hug again.
cheers! I'll drink to that.
Yeah.
I'm going to start blending.
We're gonna blend offspring.
Okay.
We're just blending over here. If you guys are worried, we're doing it.
You guys just brought pre-made stuff, don't lie.
If you're having trouble blending, just add more water or more olive oil.
I'm gonna add some water.
Hey, Kels, how much oil do you want though? Like, I can't eyeball it like you.
Okay, yeah, so put some in, and then when you try and blend it, if it's if it's sticking a bit, just pour a bit more in. Like, that's what I mean by eyeball, like, slowly.
Got it.
Yeah.
Aye, Captain.
Oh, that smells so good. I love garlic.
I love garlic, unless it's under my fingernails.
How's everybody's day?
Good, I went for a brisk walk.
Yeah.
Mm.
Outdoor activities.
A nice walk, and then we watched Bling Empire.
Oh, Bling
I'm a
What is that?
Oh my god. It's so good. It's about rich Asians in LA.
Oh, sensational.
It
Oh
is.
my god. The drama. I love it.
Let me just say that the pilot episode.
Drama.
The pilot episode is called Necklace Gate, and that's all you need.
That's hilarious.
It's so good.
Has everyone blended?
Yes.
The first blend, yes.
Yeah, gorgeous. Okay, we're going to add the kale very slowly. A little bit at a time. So here we prepared some kale that's been like very, very quickly boiled for like literally 30 seconds to 1 minute. And that just makes it easier to blend. And here we go. My hands are clean, by the way. if you find that it's again sticking in your blender, I just keep adding olive oil. Olive oil is your best friend. Okay, so the other thing is use as much kale as you feel like. If you feel like your thing is getting really full, stop adding kale. I'm gonna do like 3 handfuls, but I have a really deep blender. And then once all the kale is like smooth and like liquid, basically, that's when you add the Parmesan. You can use some of the water that you boiled the kale in if you need a bit of like something to help it emulsify. So if you're stupid like me, I forgot to put my pasta to boil. So do that now. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I'm also
I
stupid.
did not do that.
What are some other ways that you guys have been socializing virtually?
I've been doing like Zoom, like baking on Sundays with my like family.
Oh,
My grandma's been like teaching us how to bake like certain things. It started with Christmas baking, but yeah.
I wish my grandmother knew how to work Zoom.
Have you guys been using House Party like this time around?
Oh, house party, yeah.
Not at all. I feel like that was like a hot 5 seconds.
Right? It was a March, April
Yeah.
thing.
Was there something that was wrong with it though? Like I remember it was like don't use it because.
Oh.
Because what?
Yeah, what is it?
That's one secret I'll never tell. I literally have no idea.
I know like Zoom there was like a security issue because people were like jumping on to people's calls.
Yeah.
Oh, like
Supposedly they fixed that.
bombing.
Zoom, yeah, at the beginning.
Zoom
That's
bombing,
when they added passwords.
Oh shit.
Okay. Okay, if your kale's done, add your Parmesan and lemon juice.
Got some lemon juice on the floor. I'm just a mess. I'm not very clean when I cook, so.
No, neither am I. If you actually saw what my kitchen looks like outside of this perfectly placed frame.
I was gonna say that looks suspiciously tidy over there. Kels, are you putting parm in yours?
I do, just because it like makes it creamy, but I put the littlest amount. If you obviously most normal people really like cheese, so put it if you want.
But if you're lactose intolerant,
Don't or do it and take a lactate.
yeah.
Taste this
Actually, I accidentally dumped a bunch of Parmesan in, but it tastes really good, so
obviously.
just gonna have to take your lactate pill.
Listen, they're on deck. They're on deck.
Kelsey, what's your favorite thing to cook for your friends?
Oh, okay. My favorite thing to cook for people is like when they give me a challenge and they give me like one ingredient and then I make a meal based on like the one ingredient.
Oh, I like that.
Cause it like I really like just like dreaming up new recipes. So my sauce is almost done and I'm gonna start boiling my pasta.
Likewise. Our pasta is boiling. Well, it's not ready yet.
It's in there. It's ready. It's almost ready.
It's en route.
En route. En route to our mouths.
So I'm making a fusilli pesto, but honestly you can make pesto anything. The recipe that I'm drawing from calls for like a long flat noodle like linguine, but I wanted something small, so.
Did you add chili flakes to your pesto?
I have not, but thank you for telling me that. That's what we're supposed
Sorry. I was that person in class. I'm like, didn't we have homework due today?
to. Emily, don't say that out loud.
Yeah, that's embarrassing. I'm so sorry.
What did you say?
Listen, I've changed. That was a while ago.
Have you though?
Yeah.
So that's all the cooking we're doing, like rather than boiling pasta. So yeah, your sauce should be like almost neon color, like really bright. Gorgeous.
Wow.
Oh yes. Yes.
Ooh.
Stunning.
Ah.
Yeah.
Drain your pasta when it's ready, and then get a big bowl and pour the sauce into the bowl. And my pasta because it was ready, but
Oh, you put it in already? All right, I can do that too.
You just like toss it, or do you like? Should we have like spoons?
I'm just tossing it with a spatula right now. Add in a bit of butter, just to help.
Right.
Like your pasta should still be hot enough that the butter will melt.
Honestly, I feel like Dr. Seuss would be like frothing at the mouth right now.
Right? Look at this color.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Frothing at the mouth.
Yeah, sorry about that.
I have a big bowl.
Mm.
Yeah. And then The rest, after you put it on your plate, is just garnish. Like I like to sprinkle some more red, like chili pepper, and the lemon zest. And then if you love Parmesan, put some more on top.
I'm gonna be dousing in parm.
It's actually great because if I fuck this up or screw this up, no one will know because I'm the only person that's gonna eat it.
Yeah, true.
I'll just pretend.
Yeah, you can just act like it's delicious.
So I'm taking the Weber's natural lactase enzyme.
Oh, that's fun.
I'm done. If anyone wants to.
Ooh, gorginess.
Now we're all just taking pictures.
Yeah.
Wow, we're really millennial.
Don't say that word. Ay, ay, ay.
It's a millennial thing to say.
It's like Coolio. Could you imagine? Obviously, like, we spent some of the most fuckable years of our lives inside.
Yeah, very cursed.
Isn't it horrible?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's definitely what was me. There are bigger problems in the world.
Are there? I'm kidding. Yeah, there are so many of my coworkers I've never met. Like, I've worked with Lucas, but I've never heard his voice. I don't know anything about him.
Oh yeah, because you started.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like my coworkers. I met them. I haven't seen them in person, so I don't know how tall they are. Like,
That is the one thing.
I don't know how tall they are.
I don't know how tall they are.
Do you like
Think
judge
about
it
that
by
all the time.
the angle of their camera or something?
Well, they're all a little bit older, so the angle is just their nose.
Well, okay, let's guess. How tall do you think everyone is if you haven't met everyone here? I'm the only one that could probably do this because you guys probably all know each other.
No,
I don't look taller this way.
Oh my god, Connor's like 6'5".
Jesse
Scotland.
tall as hell.
You know in Powerpuff Girls when she's so tall that like her head is always like this?
I have a quick question.
Yeah.
I just realized I have butter sitting here. What, was I meant to use that at some point?
Yeah, to blend with the sauce once it's in the bowl, but that's cool. You know?
It's fine.
So,
And see, I didn't put it either. I didn't even have butter. I have basil, so.
you're just having the skinny girl version.
Yeah.
That was my diet, honestly.
Look at him, and it's working.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
After tea.
We're gonna mosey on it over.
Yum.
Dinner together. I also forgot to mention if you want black pepper, put it on.
I'm so easy.
Yeah. Also faster when you're making it like alone, but not as quick when you're making it alone.
Yeah, exactly.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, we lost Connor.
Great. You have to wait.
Friendship.
Cheers.